Maybe this is going to be like less frustrating. Like my blood is actually boiling after this point and everything's falling apart. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, KTO Designs, or Reimagined by KTO Designs. And last week, I don't know, I tried to do like two things. Like I uploaded a 5-minute craft video, and sadly that got taken down because of copyright. So yeah, we're doing something else to fix that. But yeah, that's just gonna be another video on its own. So this week, I still want to do a kind of like silly video in the meantime, because I'm working on a video with you guys that involves like processes and how to design, and I thought that I'd just take my time with it instead of rush it, because there's just like a lot to say, and it's important. The design process is important, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, not giving too much away. But so today I thought that I would, see, there's like a new segment, like maybe Kim reacts to industry products, I don't know, or maybe like, I don't know, new innovative products, I guess. So yeah, so today I thought that I would react to Lego. So Lego came out with a kind of like new product for like young girls. It does say 6+, so 6 and 106 or something, I don't know. Like, anyone can wear this. I don't know if I'd wear it, but let's just see. I've not really interacted with it. It's just, I wanted to sort of like react to these things, just because, like, yeah, it's like nice to see what other people have designed, especially someone known as Lego, who, they're kind of famous for just making like architecture and like houses or civilizations, or like building stuff. But yeah, jewelry is like a sort of new kind of industry. I mean, you've seen it with like Connect and other kind of people trying to make I guess Lego type jewelry. But yeah, I mean, it's there, but not in the kind of like charm sense. And because Lego is hitting jewelry as a jewelry designer as well, I just thought it was my business to review this, because I also do interactive jewelry. And if you don't know that, go on my website at ktodesigns.com, and I'll leave the description here, the URL, and you can go see my kind of jewelry, and then you'll see why this is close to home. So there was like lots of collections out there, like there was different themes. So this one's like space themed, this is like tropical themed, and then I just wanted to get like a bag of extra dots that apparently are emojis. If you can see them. So yeah, it actually kind of looks like candy, actually. I can see why it's called 6 and plus, because people below 6, I can see people trying to eat this. Not that I'd eat it, but like I can see people just like eating this as well. Like, I mean, look at the packet. Doesn't you think that looks like a Tutti Frutti pop? I mean, come on. So from the packet it says, create your own design, and then it shows you like a sort of like ways to design it. Yeah, that's just all it says in the packet. Just create your own design. Lovebirds. The package is actually quite nice, actually. Like, I have to say, like, I'm liking the kind of graphics, I guess. I mean, the little girls are a bit questionable, but yeah, it's interesting, it's relevant, it's tasty. How do you open this? Probably with scissors. But if you're like young and you don't have scissors, you have to ask your parents' permission for scissors. I should have came here with scissors. I've said scissors way too many times. There isn't even like a little bit to... I would have just had this in a box. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get scissors. Oh, gosh. Right, okay. I shouldn't have used my teeth. We're living in the coronavirus, I never have to sanitize my mouth now. Right. Okay, comes in a... Oh, okay. I didn't actually gonna... Okay. Snaps back like that. It's very flexible. It's like silicone Lego. I don't know. I actually was kind of expecting it to be like this, but I don't know. It's interesting. Okay, here we go. It looks like peppermint sweets. The more I interact with this, the more I kind of want to eat it. Kissy face. It honestly looks like a packet of sweets. Alright, let's start this fun. Look at these Legos. I'm gonna drop them all. Legos. So, first impressions of it is I like the colours, obviously, because I chose them, but they're all different colours. You can get them pink, this colour, green, blue, black. I'm not sure if there's a white one. Maybe there's a white one. They're kind of silicone rubber. I think it's silicone because they feel like the silicone molds. And I know that like there's people that have like rubber allergies and stuff. Now let's see if they fit. Because I don't know if it's like, because if you bend them, surely if you put one in, it'll bend off or not. Okay. This already brings me back to my emo days where, you know, you'd get those like kind of rubber bracelets that had like the spikes on it. Or like the rubber spikes. And then they like, sometimes they would light up. This is actually getting me really frustrated. I can't even put this on. Oh, I've got my black wristband. I'm going to go to a concert. Yeah. I don't know. Let's go for like a happy smiley theme. I don't know. I'm just going to put them on randomly. Okay, they click like this. So there's some that have like kind of triangular kind of clip-ons, and some of them have like circular, I guess. Ooh, and there's gems as well. Oh man, okay. So they're kind of like that. It's so hard, I'm so sorry. Like one like that, like the inside of it, and then there's like one like that. They could be like earrings. I think they're gonna make earrings as well. But yeah, no, they look cool. I'm gonna just like go crazy with this. Okay, and it just snaps. It's really interesting as well because I'm always looking for like new ways to like design like fixings and connectors. So this is like, for me, it's like research. Okay, it's like a puzzle. These are so frittery. Like that's the only thing I'd have to say is like I just sort of pinged one away. If someone with acrylic nails would have the worst time. I like the colours, they're so vibrant. And they just snap on like this. But you would easily lose them, like, have to say. Oh man, this is so frittery, I actually can't. Oh god. Do you know that way you start something and you just get so frustrated and you're like, oh, I just can't with this. Stop it. Do I like that? Oh. I actually have to use my energy to think of a design. I'm just like, what do I do? Because if you're trading with your friends with this and it's just like my blood is actually boiling after this point just because it's just so frittery and everything's falling apart. Oh my god. This is all that I can like stand because I'm getting frustrated. Oh look, there's a melon. That way you just get frustrated of like the smallest things. You're like, oh, come on man. Oh. Right, this is my finishing bracelet. That's what I made. So let's try attempt to put it on. See if it actually comes on, and then like it just falls back off again. I'm like, oh, it's my Lego bracelet right there. This was frustrating. Maybe this is gonna be like less frustrating doing it like this because you've already got it on. So you're gonna start with a sad face, and then some stars because this is the Astro series. I just dropped one. It's fine. It's fine. We're calm. We're collected. It's fine. This looks like a planet. I'm beginning to think that this is not easy. I thought this was going to be easier, but it actually hurts. You're just like, ugh, ugh. It's like for friends. Friends could kind of go like this. You'll like, stick your hand out if your friend's just like, you know, your friend with the small fingers. Do you know what these should come with? They should come with like tweezers because like that's how I feel right now. Oh my god. How can little girls stand this? This makes, like, does this not make you want to, like, get aggravated right now? This is supposed to be therapeutic, but it ends up being, like, you know, you're missing all the pieces. This was actually meant to be my highlight. I was like, oh, this is so exciting. It's just the small pieces to pick up. I'm like, oh my god. And most of them are blank. There's not even, I'm trying to look for a good one. Are you serious? That just fell off? This is irritating as hell. This is not my mood. Smiley face, this is not my mood. Right now, smiley face is not my mood. Stop it. Stop irritating me with your smiley face. I feel like this one right now is sad face. That's my... And also the angry face emoji, like that's probably more accurate. It's like, I don't care how nice this is. Oh my god. It's like the little girl's faces. This is not my face. I'm not enjoying this at all. It's so footery. Like, why would you make this so footery, Lego? Like, what? That's the bracelet. Overall, you know, my face isn't really like this, or is like this little girl's, because it's so footery to make. I don't know. Like, I understand the segments, but they're just like, they go missing, you know? I mean, people probably get frustrated over regular Lego, but like, at least you can pick that up. But this is like so tiny and like hard to put on. Like, no, it's not hard to put on, you just clip it on, but it's hard to lift them up and put them on, and it's, I don't know. But you know what? They're secure, I guess. Like, they won't like ping off. Like, as for, you could trade them with your friends in the playground, but you know, you might lose them as you're attempting to swap. That's my review. Yeah, if you want to be bracelet buddies with me, yeah, give me a comment below. It'd be funny if they had like wee tags, be like, this is my tag number, this is, if you want to do it virtually, here's my chat room. It's okay, I guess. Like, some people might wear it for trendiness, and I mean, to be honest, it's very cheap to buy. It's like under £10. So, I mean, I got this for like £7 or something like that. Like, it's really cheap to buy. And they have like a jewellery stand as well. So yeah, if you're interested in Lego, I'm not promoting Lego whatsoever. This was not a promotion video. But if you are interested, link in description for the site. I'll leave it down there. Also check out my site. You'll see what I mean by, if you want like more kind of charm bracelet-y, kind of esque, kind of trading type bracelets, I do a lot of that as well. Maybe not bracelets, but brooches, and I'm working on bracelets. So check out my my website at www.ktodesigns.com, and check out my Instagram, where I have a new kind of line coming out soon. But stay in touch with looking at what I'm doing. My Instagram, that's also reimagine_, by_KTO Designs, and you get to know the full scoop. But overall, yeah, overall these kind of designs are, it's I don't know, it's innovative, as long as people, I'm not going to give them a bad review because like it's Lego, but it's more like, all I'll say is it's footery and you lose bits. You do definitely need like a box to put these, because I have so many now. And you can trade with your friends as well, like if you had like a wee jewellery box. It's just so small, you know, you have blanks and maybe kids are like, oh, you know, I have a blank that I don't want, somebody might like all the blanks, I don't know. But yeah, to be honest, like the message is like, this is a good example of a functional design, and also it's kind of like, it's what I'm trying to do. So it's like, I feel that jewellery in itself should be more functional and better for the well-being and create more narration. You know, because nowadays you see jewellery, it's just like nice for the sake of being nice. So why can't it be good for our well-being? Why can't it be good for our mental health? This one, I'm not sure, it's questionable about mental health, but you know, that's just another story for another story. This is something that I just believe in really strongly, that that's what jewellery should be, and it's such a, it's a personal thing, and it does start conversation. So if I am able to spread the word about making jewellery and making design more beneficial to the well-being, and it being less aesthetic, be aesthetic but less about being aesthetic and more about having a functional purpose that can benefit the wearer, and that's my most important goal, is just to push like design, well-being, innovation. So yeah, tell me guys what you think. Have you ever tried the Lego bracelets? I know, what it's called? Lego dots. And if so, tell me your experiences. What do you think of it? Maybe you have your own reviews. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, check out my website and my pieces and tell me what you think as a sort of versus. Like, subscribe, and put the notification bell on, and that would really help me out. Yeah, stay active, be safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face. You know, keep being creative in this time. I hope you're safe, and just keep busy, keep creative, and don't forget to reimagine and innovate the world, change the world by design. Okay, bye guys, see you later.